2008 Chevy Impala V6. Still got the stock converter, stock resonator. And then we did duals, Y-pipe duals, straight pipe. Goes out this way to flat tips. There's this side, there's this side. That's how you dual these Chevy Impala LS's out. 2012 Chevy Impala V6. What we got done on it, still got factory converters. One there, and a third one there to California emissions. We just did a resonator delete on it. Center resonator. I don't know where you put it. Oh well, never mind. There. Then continued it, and put Super 10 FLOWMASTERs on it a while back, about a couple of months ago. There and there, FLOWMASTER Super 10s, and we hit it, so there's no tips. When it's on the ground, you don't see anything. Just like that. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There it is, Super 10s, and then a resonator delete right there. Hope you guys like it. We showed you guys before, so it's still got the 3 cats. There's a third one. And look at that new shiny pipe instead of that resonator that was on it. So we cut the resonator off, continued everything else the same. Muffler delete in the back, right there and right there. And then the 4-inch tips again, right there and right there. So now it's got a resonator delete. The sound decibels before was like around 91. Let's see how much of a difference it makes. Not too bad. What do you think? That's you. So Tasmanian Devil. Hell yeah. Chevy Impala. Impala LTZ. That's the resonator we cut off right there. Much better. What do you guys think? Sound decibels again? 99. Much better? Yeah. This is after a muffler delete and a resonator delete. Let's see the difference. Yeah, that's better. Now it's 105. 104, 105. Yeah, it's a lot better. Yeah, big difference. And it's still not like to the point where it's too raspy, it's just clean. It's because it's got the 3 cats on it, you know? Yeah, it's perfect. I like that.
Nice stance.
That look really nice. 2012 Impala. Muffler and resonator delete.